Hello guys, today I am going to be showing you how you guys can easily pass your funded accounts by just applying this only one strategy. Let me gonna show you. I'm gonna open the chart right. Yeah, it should be good now. Yes. In this strategy, we have some confluences that we have to use. The first of all, as a payer, we are going to use Nasdaq. Why Nasdaq? Because Nasdaq is the most predictable payer. That's why we use it. Since we are doing technical analysis, the Nasdaq should be our friend, should be our best friend. The second, we are going to be waiting for 9:30, which means the New York session opens. And the third one, time frame. We first we gotta we gotta understand our daily bias because we have to know where price wants to go at the end of the day. So we are gonna when we open the chart, we are gonna start analyze the chart with daily time frame. Then when we want to take a trade, when we want to see our shifts, we jump on in a 5 minute time frame. All right. So for this strategy, we have almost 60 to 70% win rate. Of course, obviously it's not 100% because there's no such a thing like 100% in day trading. So I'm gonna put this here and show you. So first we need to find an example where we can find an example. All right, I see one. We have a good liquidity right here, and in this day we swept with this week right here. We swept liquidity. So I'm gonna mark between these days, and I'm gonna directly jump into the 5 minute time frame. Before jumping into the 5 minute time frame, what do I see here? We swept this liquidity, and what does that mean? If we swept to the upside, it means that the price is going to go up. So I'm gonna jump in 5 minute time frame. Yeah, this is my mark. This is that day. Yeah. So as soon as I get in this day, I'm gonna open my session indicator to just mark out the sessions. So session highs and lows, I mean. So right here we have a Asia session high, Asia low, London high, London low, and as soon as New York session open, we swept to the London highs, and I'm not gonna mark out New York lows because if we think only this side of the chart, I'm not able to see this part. All right, so you understand. So right now I'm gonna close my indicator. So what do I see? HS8, there's a HS session high, and by the opening London session, we take out the HS session highs, and also we created a London session highs, and by the opening of the New York session, we also take out the London session highs. So what we can do? What was our bias? Our daily bias is to go up. But before go up, we have to we have to fulfill the market maker orders to fulfill to go up. I mean, so what do we see here? In this position, we have no highs. We don't have any highs to take out. So in this position, we are going to be looking for shorts because as you guys can see, we have no highs right here. So what we can do to have a more the confirmation, I have a liquidity right here. This is my market liquidity. As soon as we close under this market liquidity, we have the MSS right here, market structure shifts. Then I'm gonna open my trade and I'm gonna put my stop loss above this low, or could be this low, but I'm just gonna put this low right here. And as I might take profit, I'm gonna target the Asia session lows. And this is it. This is how this strategy works. If you guys just can stay consistent with this strategy, I am gonna make you sure that you're gonna pass your funded accounts in 1 week. Just believe me. Just stay focused. Just be consistent about this strategy, and you will pass your funded accounts. And while you do this, you don't you don't have any chance to risk too much, since it's not 100% win rate. Sometimes it could happen like this, like how we want, but sometimes it could go and create another high like this. To block that, we shouldn't be risking too much, because why we use the funded accounts, we use we must use our funded accounts as a tools to raise our capital. You cannot change your lifestyle by just having 10,000, 15,000, or 100,000 funded accounts. You have to use funded accounts to just raise your capital. All right. So since we use the funded accounts as a part of our strategy, we have to, if we want to make a move, we have to make sure that move is going to be all right for us. If I lose, if I put my stop loss right here, and maybe I'm just gonna blow up my funded accounts. But why would I do that? If you have a $10,000 funded account, you only have a $500 drawdown. So you wouldn't be wanting to risk too much. You know what I'm saying? If you just wick, imagine that you jump in this trade and the price stopped you and went down. There is nothing to do. Tomorrow you are going to be better. Just I always tell to my friends and my colleagues that when I lose the trade, I feel more stronger, because now I just had a lesson by in the charts, by just in trading view, I just had a lesson. So that's why you should you should make your moves by you should make your moves with your strategy and stay consistent and stay focused. If you just get stopped out, you have no chance to get set. You have to work harder, and believe me, af- after you work harder, you are going to be better. So, like I told you, you guys all know, I don't like to make the long videos. I just get into the video and get into the business and give the pure information and get the fuck out. But nowadays we don't get too much views. If you guys, all I'm wanting, I'm not selling anything. I'm just giving you pure information. All I want you from you guys to hit a like button and subscribe to me, and these videos will keep coming. Bye bye.